I made more than $23,900 in the last 60 days with this channel using the tool I'm going to show you in this video, which is basically a YouTube automation tool that lets you create entire videos with one click, with motion graphics, animations, and absolutely everything. Here you can see the results I've had with this channel, which is one of the channels where I'm currently using this tool to make the videos. Obviously, I have more channels where I'm using this tool, but this is the one that's doing best for now. By the way, I'm going to reload the page so you can see everything is real and the income is completely real. And obviously, I'm also going to show you that this is in US dollars so you can see the currency is the real one. And now I'm going to show you basically what this software consists of and how you can get access. The software I'm talking about is this one. It's called GoMotion. And basically with one click, you can create a video. It sounds impossible, but here you can see how yes, you actually can. Basically, the only thing you'd have to do is paste your script. And here, as you can see, the entire video gets put together with all the animations, the background footage, and all the motion graphics. This is something completely incredible that's going to change YouTube automation forever. There are similar tools out there. There's one that a lot of people know about. But the problem with that other tool is that it costs $50 per video. And this tool only costs $1 per video. So this tool is 25 times cheaper. I mean, basically for YouTube automation, it's clearly the best tool on the market right now. Because literally with just 200 or 300 views on the video, you already get your investment back. It's incredible. With the other tool, you'd need 10,000 views per video. So here I'm going to show you more or less what GoMotion consists of and how you can create your videos. The only thing you'd have to do is paste your script. You can paste whatever script you want, or you can even upload an audio, basically the voiceover. But what's great is that it has a script writing functions. And here, as you can see, you have all the voices. It's like 11 labs, already integrated directly into the program. And here you can select whichever voice you like most. You have a lot of voices in several languages. Then, here you can also select various options, whether you want subtitles on your video or not. You can also select other options here. You can enable the motion graphics, which is obviously the best thing about this program, although, well, this program is incredible overall. And here you select the language and you can already generate the video. And in 10 or 20 minutes, the complete video is going to be generated. With just one click, you just have to hit generate. And that's it. Paste your script and select whichever voice you like most. Then, here as you can see, the video has already been generated. These 20 minutes of video it can generate in literally 10 or 15 minutes. As you can see, the animations are perfect. It includes all kinds of animations and motion graphics that are absolutely perfect. And it also includes real background clips. What I really like about GoMotion is that it doesn't include stock clips, but real clips, real images, and the animations. All kinds of animations like maps too. And it also includes this type of animation. Basically, you can do absolutely anything with it. And the great thing is that it works for any niche. It's absolutely incredible what you can do with GoMotion. And this is going to change YouTube forever. I'm completely sure of it because it makes no sense that we just made this entire video with just one click. It's incredible how fast these tools are advancing. You can even edit things afterward. You can change the music, remove the subtitles, replace the clips. You even have an entire clip library. This is the secret tool I'm using for my channels. It's absolutely incredible. I have no words to rate this tool because it's impressive. It's the best on the market, no question. You just have to see it and you'll realize it's the best on the market. And the great thing is, there are no bugs in the video or anything. You export the video and that's it. That's basically my secret for how I make videos with just one click. Videos that, as you've already seen, could easily get more than 20,000 or more than 30,000 views, and considering an RPM of $5 to $10, with that video we could already generate $200 and it only cost us $1 and one click of our mouse. Plus, you can also use GoMotion on mobile. I mean, it's incredible. This is my secret. This is the secret tool I'm using, for example, on this channel where I made more than $23,900 in the last 60 days. Literally the only thing I have to do is write the script with Claude, paste it into GoMotion, make the video, and upload it to YouTube. It's a process of roughly about 5 minutes. And here you can see the results. I've probably invested more or less around $30 or $40 in this channel in the last month, and I've made more than $23,900. I mean, just so you can see how crazy YouTube automation with GoMotion is and how profitable it's becoming more and more. I mean, it's getting more and more profitable. And well, you have the link to this tool in the description of the video in case you want to try it.